So I'll be showing you how to enable or disable the raise to wake feature on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. So in case you don't have the always on display enabled, you can enable raise to wake so that you can just raise your wrist to check the time, and that lights up the screen so you can see the time or whatever it is you're checking. And then when you put down your wrist, it goes back to sleep mode. So to enable or disable the raised wrist to wake feature, go to the Huawei Health app on your phone. So let me just show you how to get here. So on the Huawei Health app, tap on devices and then select your watch. And then you want to scroll down to device settings, tap on that. And then under device settings, you should see raise to wake. Now it's currently on by default. You can disable it from here or enable it from here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.